Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, me and Gene. And today it is too hot to work on anything. It is 103, 110 in New York. It is today's Thursday. I believe it's the 2nd. And we're gonna show a little quick collection of my father's rides. His little Datsun collection. So here we go. First off, you have a 1971 Datsun 510 wagon, more into the 1970s. And we got a 1975 Datsun B210 two-door. Very cool car. Very tough. Next we got the trademark 1977 Datsun B210 Honeybee. Got the Honeybee, very special model for that year. We also got in the same color a 1971 Datsun 240Z. Beautiful body line, first generation, two-seater, SU carbs. SU carbs, original stock equipment. Now we got a GX 1976 Datsun B210 GX liftback, also called the Sunny in Japan. Nice rims. Very rare model, not too many liftbacks. Beautiful design, as you can see. Very sharp back. And then we have a 1971 Datsun 510 sedan. Still got to work on her. Still clean. Alright, we're looking at a huge Datsun collection on YouTube. Row after row of Datsuns. It's like a traffic jam. Alright folks, welcome to the channel, and here's our collection of very groovy Datsuns. Enjoy.